Another country in Europe has fallen under the wrath of nature. This time, destructive floods have swept across Bosnia and Herzegovina. The heavy rains that hit the country on October 4, 2024, led to catastrophic consequences. Central and southern regions were submerged, and landslides isolated entire cities and villages. At least 18 people have died. Many are considered missing, and authorities fear that the death toll will continue to rise. Jablanica, located 70 kilometers southwest of Sarajevo, was one of the hardest-hit cities. Landslides here swept away everything in their path. Homes and a mosque were buried under earth and rocks, leaving only the minaret visible. The railway has suffered significant damage, with a 200-meter section of track hanging in midair after the water eroded the ground beneath the rails. The main M17 highway, running alongside the Neretva River, was also blocked by landslides. The city has become isolated from the outside world. Residents of Jablanica were unable to leave their homes. It took rescuers time to reach the affected areas. And the army and civil defense were dispatched to assist. The town of Kiziljac, located 20 kilometers west of Sarajevo, was also hit hard by the elements. Here, the river overflowed, flooding hundreds of homes. There was so much water that small streams turned into raging rivers, sweeping everything in their path. Residents of the affected regions and local authorities have described these floods and landslides as unprecedented. Many, even the elderly, note that they have never seen such a volume of water in such a short period of time.
Ovo je sve od Majdana, gledaj.
The mayor of Kiziljac characterized the flooding as biblical. The disaster also affected neighboring countries, Montenegro and Croatia. It is evident that natural disasters are gaining strength, and no one on the planet can feel safe. At the International Forum, Global Crisis, the responsibility, measures aimed at protecting our planet and life on it were discussed. To achieve this important goal, it is essential to harness the full scientific potential of humanity. To understand the problem and learn how to protect yourself and your loved ones from climate chaos, we recommend reviewing the materials from the Global Crisis forums.